What's going on, guys? It's Techman here. I'm going to show you how to make any logo you want. No paid system, no nothing. It's all free, completely free on the internet. So you just want to head to your browser of choice. Personally, I use Google Chrome. Once you're in here, just want to search up a photopea. It's going to be this first link here. I'll put the link in the bio, or in the description, sorry, if you want a wee shortcut, but you can just search it up like I did. And you can just come to new project. Now, if this is for a social media post, like a social media profile, such as YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, any of them, you can just come to YouTube profile or Instagram. They're different, but they're both a square, but they're different pixels. So just make sure you pick the right one. If it's TikTok, just go with the Instagram one. We're just gonna go off the style that my profile picture is on YouTube here. Let's just say we want to make like a teddy bear one. So we just search up a teddy bear clip art PNG. Right, just come to images here. And you want to pick one that's already PNG for you. So see the way it has this background back here? Just do that and you can just copy. You can save or copy, it's up to you. So once you copy it, you can just hit Control V and that paste it in. And here you can just grab the corner and shrink it to the size you want. Now you need to think when about a profile picture, it's going to be a circle on the actual app. So make sure you get the image and the writing in inside the circle. So that looks about right to me. And I can just come up, tap this wee arrow here, and that's it. You can move it about once you tap the arrow. And you can get it to the spot where you want it. I'm going to try to get it in the middle here. So where's the middle there? You can see the wee red line. There you go. And then because it's in the middle, we're just going to move it slightly to the left. Just right there. Now you can add in text. You just come down here, right down here, the text. Then you just tap here. And it's going to be very small, so this, but you can just change the font to any font you want. So let's just say we want to use this font right here. You just come to size again. You can increase it the size you want. I'll just use around 80. Let's just say we want to make it or just tap here again. Let's say we want to make it teddy, and then let's skip a line, teddy fuzzy. So let's just say that's our name, and then you can put it wherever you want it. I'm just going to again go off my style and put it. Try to get in the middle there, right there. You just come up, tap this arrow again, and that's you. You just there we go, right in the middle. Now that's really it. But if you want to make it a PNG, so you can just come up here, and then you can export as. You can make this one a JPG or a JPG or a PNG. I'm just gonna go for PNG. Doesn't really matter. You can name your project whatever you want. That's just name it Teddy. Oh, Teddy Fuzzy for now. I don't know what's wrong with my typing today, but that should save. And you can just save it anywhere you want. Now, so let's just say we want to make a PNG, because you can't make a PNG from here. Because see if we try to make a PNG from here, I'm just going to show you. Oh, what's wrong one? If we just try to make a PNG, it's not gonna work. So what you want to do, you just want to open up photopea again, or you can hit the file and open, and then you can pick your image. So once you selected your image, you can just come over to this wee wand here, press that wand, select the background of the image, and press delete on your keyboard. When you do that, you can zoom in a wee bit, and then press the arrow. Now I'll warn you, see when you're pressing the arrow, you don't want to drag the image, because that's what happens when you drag the image. You just mess up the PNG, and that happens. So what you want to do, you just want to zoom out to where you can see the way we need to get these white bits in between these letters. Just make sure we can get them like that there, and then press delete, tap it, delete, tap it, delete. Now you can save this image, export as. Now you have to pick PNG for this one, you have to. None of these other ones work because they don't support the transparent background, so you have to pick PNG. And then this one you can name it the same thing, but add PNG on the end so you don't get confused. Maybe 1 as well, just so you don't get confused. And save it. So you know what PNG is used for? PNG is used for let's say you want to put your logo over a picture. So let's say you want to advertise these teddies, and they're your teddy bears, and you want to advertise them. You're going to put your logo in so no one can steal it. Now, if we use the logo with a white background that you're going to use for your profile picture that we done at the start, the very first one we did, if you import that one, so to import it, all you have to do is come to File here, open in place, and then find it in your files. So once you import it, as it's going to look like that. That's what happens when you import the very first one that wasn't the PNG one, and that means you can't see your teddy bears. And if you shrink it down to the size you want and put it in the corner, I mean, if that's your style, you can have a white box around it if you want. Some people do like it, but personally I don't. So we just select that and press delete on your keyboard, and come import the PNG one we named. As it happens, this happens. So see the way it has no white background. No matter where you put it, it doesn't black anything. That's what PNG is, and you can just set it in the corner. You just set it in the corner, and there's your logo in the corner. No white box or nothing. It's just sitting there, and it's perfect. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.